This conference will now be recorded.
Okay. So we will go to the CorelDRAW software. Anybody having any doubt? Prapujita? Prapujita, are you there in the class? Please message me. If unable to tell yes or saying any noise is there means please in the chat box leave the message. Anybody? Okay, we will go to the CorelDRAW. Okay. So yesterday class, what happened? CorelDRAW X7 is the version I'm using. Okay, anybody who is getting the X7 version, please download the X7 file only. Okay, so easily you can do the work in this X7. One second, I didn't see share my screen, right? Okay, sorry, girls. Okay, okay, you got my screen. Everybody can see my screen, right? Prapujita, are you there?
Yes, ma'am. We are able to see the screen.
Yes, okay.
Yes, ma'am, I'm here.
Okay, okay, okay. So here, what we have taken yesterday. So we went to CorelDRAW X7 is the version I'm using. So better you people download the X7 version only. Otherwise, 2021 20 version, any version you can download it, no problem. Okay, there is no much differences here. I will go to here file new. So yesterday I told you people file new. Here we have a different different sizes of the file size we have. Okay, anybody open the CorelDRAW and check all these options? Did you people have checked? Noor, Priyanka, anybody who are download the software,
Yes,
did you
ma'am.
open
I
this file?
checked it. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so we no need to do number of pages. You can give 100 also here. Okay, n number of pages it will take, and we have different file sizes here, letter and government letter, and we have a legal letter. All these things are the constant because we have to take, this is the size exactly we have to take whatever the designs we are making, like business card, all these things A4 size. Okay, according to you people, you cannot add any of the sizes. I want this size, I want any of the sizes I want, because mainly we are using CorelDRAW for the printing purpose, correct? So that's why here whatever the sizes will be there, that only we have to take. I'll just give okay. I'm taking here number of pages 10. Okay, here all the pages are here, page 1, page 2, page 3, page 4, like this we have the pages here. And can you see here left side we have the buttons here. So here if you click, automatically it will go to page 7, page 8, page 9, page 10, like this it will go. Okay, and the reverse order here left side. Okay, so it will go to the last page. This button it will go to the last page. Here this button it will go to the first page. Okay, so according to the page here, we have a horizontal tool and the vertical tool. And any of the pages size, if you want, according to us, any of the poster design, like we want a bigger size or something. So we can take here 297, it is there. I will give it 300. So according to us, whatever the sizes we want, okay. So we can give the sizes. Okay. So what are the sizes are available in CorelDRAW? Anybody can tell? Archana,
Ma'am,
what
I
are the
don't know.
you didn't attend last class, Archana?
No, I didn't attend.
Okay. Anybody can tell, Janani, Meghna, anybody can tell what are the different sizes we are using in the Coral Draw?
Ma'am, I didn't attend the last class, ma'am. Like yesterday's class.
Anybody who is attended last class, anybody can tell. Pooja, Ashok, you attended, right? Last class.
No, ma'am, last
See,
class I didn't attend.
whoever not attend the class, you can see the this we have a link, we already given the video, we sent it the video. You can easily see that, and you can see file size. I'm talking about the file size here. Look at here, this is the file size. So this is the different types of the files we can use it in the Coral Draw. So business card size, we have business card size, we have government legal size, letter size, envelope size. Okay, see all these things, photo card size. If you click here, you will get a different options. These are the different file sizes. See, web page, we have a web page size also is there, and we have web banners where we can see the web banner generally. Web banners where we can see, these are the general things, girls, you should know. What are the web banners? Where we can see these web banners? All are using the internet, website, everything. Anybody seen these web banners? Anybody please should answer. Anybody? These are the common questions. Please, you have to answer it. Sadia, web banners, where you can see the web banners. We can see the web banners in the websites, or when you open the internet, there is a pop-up options will come always. There is a 20% off, 50% off. There is attracting gifts will be there. Something pop-up options will get, correct? It will be not in a bigger size, it will be a smaller size. Okay, so those are the web banners, we have to create those things. Okay, so these are the constant size they already given. Okay, yesterday I shown you people. These are the things we can create in the Coral Draw. We have BMW logo is there. Okay, so different logo designs we can create using the Coral Draw software. Okay, these are some simple logos we can create. Okay, and see, this is some complicated logos are there. Okay, and here is the visiting card designs. Okay, so yesterday somebody told visiting card designs, what and all option necessary in the visiting card designs. Okay, name, phone number, and email ID. Okay, all those things are necessary to create a visiting card designs. Company name. Okay, so we have a option of the poster. There is a autumn sale special offer with the 25% off. Okay, all these things we have to create it. So we have some basics and simple, but all companies are, this is a company logo. So you people are know this Pepsi logo is here, Domino's Pizza logo is here. Okay, Barista logo, Starbucks logo, Microsoft logo. See, all these are the logos of the company, identity of the company. Correct. So because of these logos only, we will get to know what kind of product we have to buy. Correct. So it will tell the identification of the product. Okay. So we have the visiting card designs here. Quality of the image is not good. See some pamphlet designs here. Admissions open. See, you people have to do after 4-5 class afterwards. You have to do this kind of designs for the assignments. Okay. See, school admission open for 2022. Okay, this kind of advertisement designs and all you have to do it. Okay, so we have education related poster designs. We have restaurant related advertisement designs, poster designs. Okay, any fashion designing, advertisement designs we have. So we have different kinds of advertisement designs. Okay, all are there in the class. Janani,
Yes, ma'am.
Lavanya, Lavanya, this is your first
Yes,
class,
ma'am.
Lavanya.
No, no, ma'am. Second class.
Okay, okay, okay. So web banners mainly where we have to create, you got to know, right? So whatever the file size we want, we can do the changes here. We'll go to the A4 size. Okay, so this is the work area. Okay, this is the work area. Only this much area only we have to work. Okay, yesterday I teach you people rectangle tool. Okay, next we will go to the 3-point rectangle. This is the rectangle tool. Rectangular tool means we have to add the rectangle. How much ever we want, we can add the rectangles. So I have added so many rectangles here now. See, I have added so many rectangles. Now I have to select this rectangle and I have to give the color. Okay, I will go to the selection tool and I will select this rectangle and I will give different color. I will select left click. Always you should use the left click. Okay, left click, select it. You have to exit. First you have to exit from this tool. See, if I do rectangle again, if I have to select means it will not come like this. Okay, you have to go to the, if you have to add the color means you have to go to the selection tool. See, now it is highlighted, that means it is there still in this tool only. So you have to go to the selection tool. I will select it like this and I will give the color. Okay, I will give different colors. Okay, I'll give different colors. Okay, so like this I will select this one and I will give different colors for this. Okay, so if I select any of these things, so if I have to add one more rectangle means you can add wherever you want, you can add it. And I'll give some more colors like this. And I'll go to the selection tool. Okay, if I don't want this full boxes image means I will using the selection tool, I will select like this, left click, and you have to hold it and I will delete. Okay, got it? So what you have to do, you control Z, you have to use it, you have to come back again, control Z. Otherwise I will select everything and I will delete it. Okay, control Z, it will come back. Okay, so here I will take one box here. Okay, so there is an option, I will give the color, and here we have an option here to give the thickness of the line. Okay, how to add thickness of the lines in the property window, whatever the tools you are taking, it will be there in the property window. Here you can give the thickness, how much ever you want, you can give the thickness. You can type it here. I will give 25. So it is coming. Thickness of the outline 25. I'll give 40. Let us see. Oh, it is increased so much. I'll give 50. Okay. So like that. So you can give hairline. Hairline is very thin hairline, thickness will come, outline will come. I don't want any outline, then I will go to the none option. There is no outline. Okay. How much ever outline you want, you can take it. And here whatever the colors we are selected, whatever the colors we added for this, it will be stored here. Can you see this down part? All the colors, whatever the colors we added till now, we used till now in this class, so all these colors are added here. Okay, see, I don't want any color means, can you see this into mark? That is a none options. I don't want any color. Okay, I'll select like this color and I don't want any color like this. Okay, so here one more option is here. What is this option? You can double click on this color. So whatever the options it is there in the color palette, So you don't want this color, you want some other color. So that time you have to go to this option here, electric blue. Electric blue, this is the fill color, this is the fill color, and this is the outline color. Okay, so what I will do, see, all these are in a CMYK color mode. Okay, all these are in the CMYK color mode. Okay, I will select like this, double click on this. Okay, you have to double click on this, double click on this option. Mainly in the new version, whoever downloaded the 2020 and 21, maybe you don't get the color option here. Okay, so you will get the color option in the left side. Otherwise, in the property window itself, you will get the option here only, in the top of this only you will get the color option. Okay, double click on this. Here any shadings you want, okay, just add the shadings. Okay, whatever the shadings you want, you can add it. In the purple itself, you want any light color, dark color. Okay, so those colors and all you can add it. See, whatever the colors you are selecting here, can you see here CMYK color? So it is telling here how much percentage of cyan it is here, magenta, yellow and black, how much percentage is here. So whatever the colors you are taking, see, magenta is 0% here. Here there is no magenta and there is no black here. So that's why it is telling. So that it is telling the percentage of the color. Okay. So please select any of the color. Okay. I will come back for the color palette once again next class, because we have some more options we have to see. Okay, it is showing here down also what is the color code you are taken here. Cyan 61%, magenta 93%, and yellow and black is 0 here. So this is the color code, whatever we are choosing here, that is the color code. Okay, color code, see, this is the color code. You can search it in the Google or any other app, you will get the same color. Okay. Okay. Okay, next one, I will go to the selection tool. I will go to here, this is outline color. Okay, I will go to this outline color, outline color, and here we have an option. I will select the color, and if I want to increase the size, okay, maximum 10 it is showing here, you can type it here also. How much ever size you want, you can add it, and we'll get the designs here. Look at here, we have so many designs are there. Okay, I will just give okay. Okay, you will get this kind of design. I'll click on here, I will go to here, and we have an option of designs. Okay, we will select the thickness of the outline, and we have different styles are there. Okay, we will give the colors for this. Okay, outline designs and all. In Corel Draw we have very limited designs are there. In Corel Draw only simple designs are there, so we can give the designs like this. Okay, next one, we will go to here, 3-point rectangular tool. Okay, anybody having any doubt about this tool? Yesterday class I have already teach this tool, how to give the values here, how to increase the height and width of this, how to increase the, how to change the positions and all. See, if I'll move this here, automatically the positions will change. X and Y direction positions will change. Okay. Then go to the shape tool, and here we have different shapes are there. See, we have one more option here, that is the shape tool. Okay, I'll select this shape tool, and here we have an option. Okay, we have the option of the shape tool. Okay, we can do the changes of the shape tool. Prapujita, are you there in the class? Yesterday class you attended, Prapujita?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
So did you try this tool, Prapujita, yesterday?
No, ma'am.
See, we
Yesterday
can
was the
add.
first class. Yesterday was the first class.
Okay. Okay. Okay, these tools and all you have to try. Okay, so here we have different options are there.
Yes, ma'am.
Whatever the shapes we are taking here, rectangular tool, change the positions, rotations, everything we can do it manually also. If I click on here, we have a option here, rotation option is here. Okay, so like that, whenever I will rotate here, can you see here rotation option? So it is giving 14% like that. There is option of rotation. Okay, so like that, we have to do the manually also we can make it, otherwise we can rotate in this direction also. Okay, so next one, we have an option called 3-point rectangle. So what I will do, I will drag it one like this, and I will make a box like this. How much ever I want, I will drag it like this. I will hold left key and I will drag it like this. I will hold this left key and I will drag it like this. So I will hold this left key and I will drag it like this. Okay. Go to the selection tool and give the colors. Select everything and give the colors. You just select like this and give the colors. Okay. So like this, you have to select the each and everything. You will get the color. But if the colors are not displayed, when you open the screen, defaultly you will get all these options, color palette and the tools and the menu bar and the property bar, everything you will get it here automatically. Otherwise, when it is hidden, where you have to go? You have to go to window, and in that we have an option here, dockers. Okay, so dockers option is there. Otherwise you can go to the toolbar. If in the toolbar we have options here, menu bar, status bar, standard bar, property bar, and the toolbox. Okay, if it is hidden, any of the tools are hidden, you have to use these options. Okay, please write it down. Go to window, and in that toolbars, in that we have all these options are there. Please write it down, everybody, which is hidden here: menu bar, status bar, standard bar, property bar, and toolbox. Okay, if I off this toolbox, see, you are not able to see any toolbox here, correct? In the left side it is hidden now. So I have to go to window, then the toolbar, and I have to on this tool. See, if it is if it is in right mark, means it is on. Okay, like that only you have to. There is an option here, zoom, text, layout, all these options also very important. But more than this, you have options here. This is very important. Please write it down, this option. Please write it down, all this option. Window, toolbar, in that menu bar, status bar, standard bar, property bar, and toolbox. Okay, Done, everybody? Okay. Okay. Again, if I'll go to this 3-point rectangle, again same options will come. Whatever the thickness and adding the colors, everything it will come as same only. If I'll go to the shape tool, okay, shape tool, you have the options same whatever you are getting in the rectangular tool. I will select like this. If you want to make any shape like this, you can go to the rounded rectangular round shape will get. See, you have to select particular this thing you have to select. You can select it like this and you will get this option here. Okay, so like this you have an options with the with the 3-point rectangular tool. Okay, I will select this. I will delete it. Okay, I'll come back for this tool. Again, we have so many things are there. In one tool only, we have to create so many different logo designing, posters, pamphlets, effects, everything we have to create it here. First, we will go to the tools. Okay, so next one is we have an options called ellipse tool and 3-point ellipse tool. I will go to the ellipse tool. I will make a circle here. Okay, so whatever the tools I am teaching you people, so I will keep it in one page, page 1, page 2, page 3, page 4, like this. Okay, I'll go to page 1 and I will select this and I will give the color. I will give the color for this. Then what I have to do? Anybody can answer? Janani? Anybody can answer? Yeah, Janani, tell me what I have to do after adding this circle. What I should do? What I should
If you
do?
want, you can add more circles or give a text to it.
Okay, so before that, in the property window, we have an options here. Okay, so I will go to this circle and I will give whatever the colors I have given here already color. So if I click on here, we'll get the selection tool. One more time, if I click here, I will get the rotation option. Okay, you can select it and you can rotate it. Select it, left click, and you can rotate it. Okay, so if I'll go to the shape tool, okay, I will select on this shape tool and we have an option here, circle, ellipse tool, and we have a pie tool and we have a arc tool. Okay, I will click on this pie tool, so it will become like this and I will give you the arc tool. Okay, if I click on this pie tool, see, look at here, using the shape tool what I'm making, you have to select the shape tool and how much ever percentage you want, you can take it here. And here we have an option, manually also you can give the values. Can you see that? Manually also you can give the values. Manually also you can give the values like this. Okay, next, look at the positions. I'm changing the positions. Where it is changing? In the x and y direction only it is changing here. Okay, x and y direction, both the sides are moving, so it is changing in the x and y direction only. The same thing rotation, when you will make it, so then the rotation option manually it will change. Otherwise here we can give it 300. I will give, it will rotate according to that. Okay, again we have an option here, thickness of the outline, so that also possible. Any designs we want means we have to go to here down, there is an option here, I will change the outline it. Okay, designs and all I'm changing here. Okay, I don't want this, I'll keep it like this, I will rotate like this. Okay, I'll keep it like this and I will rotate like this. Okay, and next I'll go to the page 2. I'll go to the page 2. Okay, So here in this only we have an options called 3-point ellipse tool. Okay, 3-point ellipse tool. You have to make a line here. Line, one single line like this, and you have to how much ever you want. See, I'm not clicking anywhere. I'm just moving the mouse. I'm not clicked anywhere because if I'll do left click, it will stop over there. Okay, first what you have to do, left click and you have to make one line, and just you have to no need to touch any buttons in the mouse, just you have to move it, just you have to move the mouse, and how much ever bigger size you want you can add it like this. Okay, like this, left click, how much ever you want you can do the changes here. Okay, I will go to the selection tool and I will add the different colors. Okay, whatever the colors I want I will add it to this tool. See, I will add different colors. So if you want thickness of the outline, any these things and all you want, means you can give it like this. And look at here what is the size of this 203 and here 31. How to take the measurements of the files, how it is how we will take the measurements, anybody can tell how the measurement will, when you take the new file, where will get the measurements here, anybody can tell please. Any Meghana, you should tell where we will get the measurements. Pooja, Asho, everybody attended last class. I have all you people attendance. So you have to tell me. All are attended class yesterday. So Meghana, Archana, KP, Noor, Priyanka, Janani, anybody can. Lavanya, Agarwal. So you have to take where we will get the measurements. Here when you open the new file, where you see the width and height, how you will take the measurements and where we have to take the measurements. If it is a banner, we have to take the measurements in the feet. Okay. So we have different kinds of measurements here. Inches, millimeters, pixels, points, and feet, yards, miles, centimeters. Okay, if it is banners and all, it will calculate it with the feet. Okay, other designs and all, it will be inches, millimeters, okay, pixels. It will calculate it in that way. Okay, so here we have any of the files. If we select here, okay, it will have its own sizes here. Okay, its own sizes will be there. Object size, it is showing, set the width and height of the object will be there. Okay, so you can manually also you can give the object size. Suppose it is 31 is there, I'll give 45. Then what happened? So width, okay, width is increased now, so it is measuring in the format of millimeter. Okay, so we have millimeters options, correct? So automatically it is measuring in the millimeter option only it is taking. Okay, so manually also you can select it like this. See, whatever the measurement I given for this 45, I'll give it for this also. I'll give 45. Okay, 45 I will give. Okay, like this, height and width and all, you can do the changes of this. Okay, so now I'm in page 1 is like this, page 2 is like this, and I will go to the page 3. Okay, in the page 3 I will go to the some of the other tools. Okay, so we will go to the next tool. Before that you have to write file new, file open, open recent file, file save, file save as, okay, print. These many options you have to write. File new, file open, File save as already written in the last class. Pooja, you already written in the last class.
Ma'am, I was
Please
not
unmute
there in the
yourself.
last class. I was absent, ma'am.
Okay, okay. Pooja is absent. What about Noor?
Yes, ma'am, I've written it.
Okay, okay. So I will go to next tool. Okay, so I will go to the next tool. Next one is the polygonal tool. Okay, so we have polygonal tool is there, star tool is there, complex star tool. Okay, so we have multiple options. So you people are written already these tools names, right, in the last class. So I will go to this polygonal tool. Okay, so I will go to this polygonal tool. We have a shape like this. Okay, using the polygon we have the shapes. Okay, so whatever the tools you are taking, according to that we have a property window here. Correct, we have the property window. So I will select the tool, and here number of sides, how many sides which is having now, it is 5 sides now. So I will increase the sides of this. Okay, I will increase the size of this. So only 3 is the minimum. Maximum how much ever you can give it. Okay, 3 is the minimum size we can give it. Okay, so again you can increase the thickness of the outline. You can increase the thickness of the outline, and you can give the fill color. So whatever the colors you want, you can give it. Okay, so selection tool for only for selecting things. Okay, so next I will go to the shape tool. So shape tool we can do multiple things. Can you see here one small point over here? Everywhere we have a small points. Here connecting points are there. So these are the connecting points. So what I will do, I will select one point here, and I will make a designs. Okay, can everybody can see how much ever you want, you can
Ma'am,
add
can
the.
you please repeat this step?
Yes, I'll come back. I will go to this tool, first one, polygonal tool. Okay, so I will take the shape like this, and we have how many sides already default, it is there 5 sides. Okay, so I will increase the sides of this 9, 10, 12, any of the sides you can take it. So according to different size we will get different designs. Okay, so I have taken some sides like this. So I will give the color for this, and any outline if you want you can give it. And I will go to the shape tool. Okay, so this one shape tool. Using the shape tool, you have to select this point. Can you see here, there is some points are there. Any point, any one point you have to select. Any one point you have to select. Look at here, I'm clicking on this point. I'm taking inside. Okay, I'm taking it inside. Like this, you can do the rotation. Okay, see like this. You have multiple designs you can make it with this. You have to select again this tool, and you can do multiple designs. Any point here, already points are there. If you will go to selection tool, I will remove the outline, none. Okay, you can see the, if you go to the shape tool, then only these points are visible. If you are there in the selection tool, then the points will not come. Look at here. So this is not the point that where you can do the shapes. Always you should go to the shape tool. Shape tool, and select any point, no problem. Any point. Okay, any point you can do the changes of this. Okay, one more this thing I will take it. So I'll go to polygon, say the same tool only, polygonal tool only. So I'm having number of sides is 5. I'll increase the sides now. I'll increase with the so many sides here. I will go to the, I will add this color. I'll add minimum thickness of the outline and I'll go to the shape tool, and I will select one point here. See again, see which is having different design. See, number of sides will increase, then you will get more designs. Okay, anybody having any doubt? See, like this you will get the designs.
No, ma'am.
Okay, I will make a duplicate copy of this. How to make duplicate copy? Here we have no options: edit, cut, copy, paste, paste special, delete, and duplicate. Please write it down this option. You have to go to the edit. In that, undo also very important. Control Z, you have to write Control Z. Okay, it is going back one step, you can go back. Control Z, Control Z, you can make it. Next one is repeat move, means you can forward it, means whatever the tools you did here, not doing it undo backward, you have to go into forward things. Okay, so that why we are using Control R. Next one is cut, Control X, copy, Control C, paste, Control V, delete. Okay, duplicate. Okay, duplicate, you have to use always shortcut edit duplicate. Please write it down all this option. Okay, write it down all the options. Edit duplicate, shortcut is Control D. So what I did is, now I have duplicate this. Okay, Control Z. Now I will give different color for this. Okay, for this different color I'll give. So I will select this and I will remove the outline. I'll give just none. Okay, downward the pink color shape is there. I will select this one. I'll give none. Okay, so I will select it. I will slowly, I have to move this. I have to do the adjustment. Okay, now it will come a shadow kind of effect, it will come. Okay, so like this, how much ever, Control D. Again I'll take one more shape. I'll give some other color. Okay, so little bit you can you move it. So see, suppose you want to make a little movements, means in the keyboard there is a arrow mark option is there, that you can use it. I am using that only option. In the keyboard there is a arrow mark option will be there, so that you can use it. Otherwise, can you see here, position will be there 154. See, I'm moving, whenever I'm moving, the positions will change, left, right. Okay, in the X and Y direction the positions are changing. So now it is having three colors: pink, blue, and yellow color. Okay, so like this you can do the changes. Okay, if I'll go to the page 4, I'll go to the page 4. Again I will take the polygonal tool and I will give the sides only 3. Okay, so if I'll use the 3, what is this? Anybody can tell what is this? Which logo it is? Please, girls, you should answer in my class what kind of logo it is. Okay,
Ben's
anybody
It's a
laugh?
Ben's logo.
Yes, so
Ben's car
easy,
Ben's
logo.
correct?
logo.
Yes, correct. It is a Benz car logo. So that means whatever we are learning the basic tools, with that only, so we have to make the logo designing. Okay, it is the Benz car logo. So I will add circle for this. Now what happened? The logo is ready. Okay, I will add circle and I will add the thickness of the outline. Okay, manually only you have to move it. So how much ever you want, you can move it manually. Okay, so if you want to do any changes here, you have to select the logo. Okay, so after doing this, if we select like this, and if you want, you can increase the size. See, whatever the shapes you want, you can number of sides and all, you can increase it. Again, I'll go to shape tool. Again, I will do some changes. We'll have a different designs again. So like that, number of, I'll go to the selection tool and I'll have a number of shapes. I will increase and decrease. You will have an options here. Okay, like this. You anybody have any doubt? I'll go to this polygonal tool again. Okay, so all other options are same. Okay, only this is the options, you have to use it. Okay, so control D, duplicate. Okay, control D, that is option of duplicate. Control D, it is option of duplicate. You can do duplicate how much ever you want. You can make the duplicate of this. I select it and then delete it. Okay. Anybody having any doubt about this polygonal tool? To using the shapes, you have to uh, make this kind of designs. Everybody should do the, you have to try all these options whatever I'm teaching from last three classes. This is the third class. So what you have to do, you have to try all these options, because we have to go for logo designing next class and all. So what you people do have to do, basic shapes and all, you have to try today itself. You have to download the Corel Draw. Whatever the versions you are getting, please download it. Any older version also okay. Okay. Nobody is saying okay. Priyanka, Lavanya.
Yes,
Okay,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay,
Okay.
ma'am.
Basic.
Yes,
Yes.
ma'am.
Okay. Hmm. Next, we will go to see what I have did is everything I have kept in the different pages. Now I'll go to the page 4. So I will go to the star tool. So here we have an option called star tool. Okay. So here I will select this, and again I'll give some colors, and I will go to the shape tool, and here it is only changing like this. Only this is the option. It is changing here. Only this is the option we can do it. Okay, using the shape tool. Star. When you select the star, I'll give the color. Can you see here upper window? In the property window, we can increase the sides of the star, and here it will reduce the size of the star, and it will increase and decrease the sides of the star. Okay, so how much ever you want, you can do the star this sizes, sides and all, and you can manually also you can do the changes, but it will not rotate. Only it will be becoming the shapes like this. It will not, rotation option will not help. Rotation option means in the shape tool, like how we are using the this polygonal tool, no? So we will select like this, and we have to select this point, and it will rotate however we want. It will rotate, correct? But here in star it will not rotate. Okay, so we have to duplicate copy of this, control D, and you can create your own logo. Okay, you can create your own logo with this. Okay, so shadow kind of effect you will get it. I'll delete it. This is the options. I will delete it. Next I will go to the complex star. So I will go to complex star. I will add the shape like this using the complex star. So I will select this tool, and here the same like polygonal tool. So we have number of sides. So you can increase how much ever the size you want. Sides you want, you can increase and decrease it. And here, so I will go to the shape tool, and I will do the changes like this. Okay, I will select the designs and increase and decrease the shape of this. So if you'll increase it, you will get more designs. Okay, so keep on increasing it, you will get some more designs. If you'll go inside this, can you see this? Look at there, look at here. Okay, I'll increase it again. Can you see that? So you'll get so many designs inside this. Okay, so if I'll remove the outline, I'll make it none. None means I don't get any outline. If outline is there, then you can see the border. See 3D images. To create a 3D images, we can use these options. To create a 3D image, we can use this option. To create a 3D image, we can use this option. Okay. Anybody having any doubt about this tool? Priyanka, Meghna, are you there in the class?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, you have any doubt? Yukti Sharma, is it your first class? Yukti?
No, ma'am, it's my third class.
Okay, okay. You have any doubt, Yukti?
No, ma'am.
Okay. See, wherever I will take my mouse, it will zoom over there only. If you keep your mouse here, it will zoom that particular area only. So if you keep somewhere here, it will zoom according to that. Okay. So just to zoom it, and some students they will face the problem. They will zoom maximum. Okay, so that time you can click on here. This is the option here. Otherwise, in the left side we have a zoom tool. Okay, a zoom tool, you can click on here. Wherever you want, it will zoom. So how much ever you want, you can zoom it. And there is a scroll mouse, you can zoom in and zoom out. Both the things you can do it. I have scroll mouse, so here using that I am making zoom in and zoom out. Okay, so here when you are doing the zoom in and zoom out, there is an option here. Can you see here upper side? This is 50%, 70%, 100%. So to fit means according to the page, to page or to fit. Okay, so it will come overall page you have to see, means you have to give it to fit. Otherwise to page, any option you can give it. Okay, so wherever you zoom, it will zoom in that area only. Okay. Okay. Control Z. So I will keep this file in page 4, page 3, page 4, page 2, page 1, page 5. Okay. Now I'll go to graph paper. Okay, next tool is graph paper and spiral. Okay, I'll go to the graph paper. Graph paper is nothing but the table itself. When I will start the table, so that time I will teach you like how to add the contents, add the images, add the text, all those things. I will tell you people. We have a options called table also. We have here in the menu bar. We have options called table here. So here I already added this the graph paper. Shortcut is D. Okay, I will select this option. I will give the color and I will go to selection tool. Okay, so I will go to selection tool and look at here. When you will add the graph paper, see if you click on the graph paper, it will show how many rows and how many columns you want. Okay, after adding it, it will not show. So before itself, when you click on this graph paper tool, can you see here four columns are there and okay, four columns are there, three rows are there. Okay, if I'll add it 10 by 10. Okay, so it will come according to that. So before taking the tool itself, you have to give the values, and you can again you can text this thing, and you can add the outline designs. Can you see zoom it and check that design has come or not? If you make it like this, you will not able to understand. Click on here and select it. Like, see, it is not showing anything. It is not showing here. According to this, we don't get any property here. Correct. Tables, we don't get any. Graph paper related, we are not getting any properties here. Means only the rotation, scaling, positions we are able to see it. But other than this, we are not getting any options. So what we have to do while we are selecting the graph paper, we have to give the how many rows and columns, how much ever you can give. Rows, 20 rows, 20 columns, 10 columns. Okay, so like this you can give it how much ever you can add it. Left click for everything, you have to use the left click. Okay, so let me check whether if I'll remove it, no, it will not become the changes. See, any changes if I'll make it, it will not work. Okay, you can give the color for this. Okay, while we are learning the tables, so that time we will go for this again. Once again in the tables we can study about this fully detail. We can study about the this paper, graph paper. Okay. Okay, I'll make control Z and I'll keep it in this only, and I'll go to the page 4 is here, page 5 is like this, page 6. Okay, in the page 6 we will add spiral tool. Okay, spiral tool. Why we are adding the spiral tool? What is this tool called? Spiral tool. Okay, using this spiral tool we have the property window like this. All tools are like, we cannot use all the tools. There are some tools are there So very rarely we are using this kind of tools actually. So many people's they're not using much with this tool actually. Almost we are using for everything rectangular tool and ellipse tool, all text tools only we are using. But important tools is pick tool and the shape tool. So those things are very important. I'll select this one and I will go to the thickness of the outline. Here you cannot give the fill color. It will not fill. Why it is not filling? Anybody can tell? Anybody can tell why we cannot give the fill color? Jisha, why it is not taking fill color? Archana KP, Priyanka S, why it is not filling the color? Nobody is there.
Yeah, there, ma'am.
Okay, then nobody is answering. Everybody slept. Afternoon 4:15. Got sleep. Okay.
No, ma'am.
So I will only tell. See, while you people have to fill the color, any object it should close in all the sides, then only the color will get filled. Correct. Here in this shape, it will not fill the color. Why? Because this area is not filled. If I'll go to the shape tool and I will join it and I'll give the color, it will take. If I'll not join it, then it will not take the thing. See, here it is completely, this area, everything is blocked now. So it is the outline. This area is not joined. Correct. Now I'll make a joining of this, then only it will add the colors. Okay. So here everything is open. So we are unable to join this area. Okay. So it is, we cannot give the fill color. So we can give only the outline design and outline color. Okay. So here we have no options. Okay. So that is the design of the this outline. Okay. The design of this lines, and we have an option here arrow marks. Can you see here arrow mark? This is the starting arrow mark and this is the ending arrow mark. So we have two arrow marks design. Okay, starting arrow and then the ending arrow. Okay, any designs you can do the changes. Okay, any designs you can do the changes. Now I will go to the shape tool. Shape tool, again we'll have some points here. Can you see here, here one point, here we have points, everywhere we have points here. So what I'll do, I'll select this tool. Can you see this points? Nodes, these are the points we are telling nodes, and this is the thing we are telling anchor points. These are the anchors point. See, I'll click on here. I can bend it how much ever I want. I can bend it. I will move this one. I can move this. I will select this tool. I will select the point here, and how much ever I want I can move it. I'll select this point, how much ever I want I can move it. Okay, select this. Everywhere you will get this. Okay. So how much ever you want you can move it. If the outline is in normal, you can see the designs. So I'll go to the shape tool. Whatever the shapes I want, I will add it. In the next class and all, when I'll teach the text tool, you can write the text on it here. Whatever the shapes we added, no, according to that, the text you can move the text here. The text will you can write wherever the lines will go, the text will go there itself. So when the text tool I will take, so that time you can use the this text will go wherever this shape. How according to the shape, the text will go. So that's why we have to learn how to add these shapes. Anybody having any doubt about this tool?
No, ma'am. We don't have any doubts.
What you people have to do using these three tools. Okay, I have already teached you people rectangular tool, ellipse tool, and all these five tools. So what kind of logos we can create? Okay, anybody having any idea? Small logos. Okay, I don't want any complicated logo. So how I shown you people the Benz logo. So like that, any logos we can create using the circle or using the rectangle or any
Ma'am,
polygonal
Chrome,
shapes. Huh?
we can do Chrome logo, ma'am.
Chrome logo having this. See, Chrome logo is, I already have this Chrome logo. Look at this shape. How to make this shape? This we have to do the cuttings and whatever the basic shapes. See, whatever the shapes we are I teach you today, that is very basic shapes actually. We cannot do any modification. What kind of logos we have to create?
Ma'am, can we do BMW?
BMW.
Audi, ma'am.
BMW logo. Audi logo we can do it. Only for circles we have to add it. BMW logo we can make it actually. Actually
Yes, ma'am.
BMW logo also we can make it. Okay, but again for the cutting it's not possible I think. Okay. So BMW logo circles. For circles we can add it. Okay, this shape, what I'm saying, this shape is there, no? So you need a rectangle. So we have to think about this. Triangle shape is there, no? This triangle shape, how to make? That we have to do. So any logos you have to create, take a circle, Olympic logo. Okay, Olympic logo, how to make? I will take the circle, ellipse tool, ellipse tool. I don't want fill color. See, make a proper circle. Proper circle and give the color outline color. I will give the outline color and control D, duplicate copy of this, control D, duplicate copy of this, control D, control D, and change the color. Select this, double click on this outline. Exactly, I'm not giving the colors, whatever the colors is there in the Olympic. So we will do it in the next class, those things and all, exactly however we want. So what I will do, outline color, we will select it like this. Okay, select it like this and I will give the color. Okay, so this is the Olympic logo. Okay, what color actually exactly in Olympic? This is the color what we have in the Olympic. Okay, so What you people have to do, that is your assignment. I will tell you. You have to do 5 logo designing. Okay, very simple designing you have to do. Everybody should do 5 simple logo designing. You can do Benz logo designing, Olympic logo designing, Audi logo designing, any of the simple 5 logo designing you have to make it, and you have to keep it in page 1, page 2, page 3, page 4, page 5, like this. 5 images you have to keep it here, and you have to save the file save as in the format of CDR, Corel Draw format. Okay, file save as in the format of Corel Draw. You have to write here logo design, and you have to save the file. Okay, next class you have to show me the logo designing. Is that okay?
Yes, ma'am.
See, like this you have to save the file save as. Okay, Corel Draw format you have to save it. So anybody, you have to send it me whatever the logo designing you people are creating. So you have to take the picture of that, and you have to make in the WhatsApp group you have to send me, not separately. In the WhatsApp group only you have to send me the whatever the logos you are taking. Is that okay, everybody?
By when,
Yes,
ma'am?
Tomorrow.
Yes,
at
ma'am.
I
what
want it
time,
for
ma'am?
tomorrow class only.
Tomorrow's
Okay,
class.
so you,
Okay, ma'am.
that's why I told you people, please download the CorelDRAW software. So by the time you can practice, because every day I'm teaching different tools and different with the different examples. Okay, so tomorrow onwards we will start logo designing. So that's why you need the software, and you have to practice every day. Correct? So please try to do the logo designing. Okay, that is your assignment. 5 logo designing you have to make, and you have to take the picture of that, and you can WhatsApp me. Is that okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Shall I end the
Yes,
class?
ma'am.
Shall I end the class?
Yes, ma'am.
Huh?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine. I'll end the class. I have one more class now. Okay. Jisha, everybody should present in the class. Okay. So every day you have to attend the class. Nobody should not miss the class. Okay. I'm leaving. Bye.
Thank you, ma'am.
Hmm. Okay. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.